Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change a gender on Tinder. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you would do is simply gonna go ahead first access your Tinder app. Once you have done so, you're simply gonna go ahead and find this kind of interface. First of all, go ahead, tap on your profile icon below right corner. Now go to this option given this pencil icon on top of your profile. Once you have done so, you can find this kind of interface, right? So in the settings section you can find all kinds of settings where you can add your photos, you can find your prompt, interest, relationship goals, height, language, zodiac sign, lifestyle, everything that you have added over here in your settings option. While creating your account you can find a change for that, but do not have the option to change your age, because that is while you're creating an account, so you will have to really think it through and add the correct age that you would like to show on Tinder. So if you have done so, other thing that you can do in case you have added the wrong age and you would like to hide it, or if you cannot change it, then you can come to over here, control your profile, and simply tap on this don't show my age. And then this also you will have to get access to Tinder Plus, so it will allow you to hide your age, otherwise your age will be shown and that will be it. So this is the only options for you all. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you all, and I will see you guys in our next video.